Welcome to the Waterways Nottingham, a sanctuary of contemporary living nestled in a prime location ensuring utmost convenience. Discover a curated collection of modern ensuites and sophisticated studios, each crafted with your comfort in mind. Experience the luxury of a dedicated study space, ample storage, and a plush bed for a restful night's sleep. Immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of the social spaces, whether it's catching up with friends in the vibrant lounge area, staying active in the fitness center, or unwinding in the communal bar. Plus, enjoy the convenience of quiet study areas, a meeting room, and high-speed internet access throughout the premises. Perfectly situated near Confetti Institute of Creative Technologies and Nottingham Trent International College, your daily commute shall be effortless. From delectable dining options at TGI Fridays, Nottingham, to the inviting ambience of kale, culinary delights are just outside your door. For everyday necessities or a shopping spree, the quaint stalls and modern outlets at Victoria's Centre and Bridlesmith Gate are a skip and a hop away. So what's keeping you at bay? Head straight to amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay at the Waterways Nottingham today.